हम जा रहे हैं क्लाइंट के घर पे, सरप्राइज, उनको भी नहीं पता है। लेट्स गो। सो हेलो एवरीवन, वी आर बैक हियर अगेन विद अ न्यू व्लॉग न्यूट्रिशन बाय क्षितिज। जो नए आए हैं मैं उनको बताता हूँ, ये मेरा एक न्यू फिटनेस चैनल है जहाँ मैं वीडियोस बनाता हूँ बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन और लोगों को अवेयर करने के लिए कि आप हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल कैसे अडॉप्ट करें। आज का वीडियो थोड़ा सा अलग रहेगा देन रेगुलर वन, बिकॉज आज हम है एक सरप्राइज विजिट पे अपने क्लाइंट के घर पे, जो क्लाइंट को भी नहीं पता था। सो आज हमारा बेसिकली एक जनरल इंटरव्यू रहेगा क्लाइंट के साथ एंड हम जानेंगे उनके जर्नी के बारे में, उनके डिसीजंस के बारे में, उनका लाइफ पहले कैसा था, अभी कैसा हो गया है, उनको क्या चेंजेस दिखते हैं। दिस इज़ तृप्ति पेडनेकर, शी इज़ माई क्लाइंट एंड वी गेट टू नो अबाउट हर lifestyle, her changes, her daily routine before and after, and what is her experience being associated with Nutrition by Jitish for 6 months. And so we begin. Hi Trupti.
Hi Jitish.
So yes, tell me about something your routine before you started consulting me as your fitness guide. What were you following basically, a general as a household normal person?
Okay. Initially, like previously, after this transformation, what I got, it was nothing. I mean, I was just normal office, घर office ही होता था. And I used to eat everything. There was no routine कि इतने बजे खाना है, ये खाना है, या फिर इतने बजे पानी, मतलब इतना पानी पीना है, nothing. कभी भी खाना है, कभी भी पीना है. Like I used to eat midnight भी भूख लगती थी, वैसे खाना खाती थी. And just तो जंक फूड ज़्यादा होता था, आउटसाइड फूड ज़्यादा होता था, मतलब चीज़ बटर ज़्यादा होता था. तो कुछ ऐसा रूटीन नहीं था, कुछ ऐसा शेड्यूल नहीं था. कुछ भी खाया, ऑयली स्टफ, बड़ा पाव, समोसा, ये सब खाना होता रहता था. सो इतना कुछ मतलब ये रूटीन था. एंड नो एक्सरसाइज, नो वर्कआउट, नथिंग, कुछ नहीं.
Okay. So then, what made you think of changing yourself? Because see, you were, as I have seen you since years, from your young days to being in middle 30s. So at this point of time in life, what made you think you need to transform yourself?
Well, nowadays, it's I mean, ऐसा हो गया कि you have to be fit and healthy. Of course, जैसे gradually you grow, your age, you get older, and wiser. You have to take care of your body, of your health. And yes, of course, I mean, you are one of the motivation that happened.
Thank you.
Because since we know each other since very long time, I've seen the transformation of yours, from so many cases that you reduced, and I've seen your before and after pictures also. Your interview also in one of the leading newspaper, I read that. So it gave a motivation. So I thought, why not, if Kshitiz can do so, why not give a try? And I wanted that one motivation, that push. So it happened from your end. I happened to meet you, and then you told me about your nutrition this thing, and I said, why not give a try? So this is how it happened. I met you, and then you gave me the guidelines and everything.
So आगे बढ़ते हुए, we go on to next question is, आपका फर्स्ट कंसल्टेशन मेरे साथ कैसा था? आई मीन जब भी हम लोग मिले, सो मिलने के पहले आपके दिमाग में क्या थॉट्स थे कि कैसा आपको आगे बढ़ना है? आपके क्या थॉट्स थे कि आपका जर्नी या आपका गाइडेंस कैसा रहना चाहिए?
Okay. To be very honest, meeting you is always pleasure, Kshitiz. तो कमिंग टू दी काउंसलिंग पार्ट, वो फर्स्ट ही थोड़ा मतलब अच्छा था. इट वॉज लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट, थोड़ा टाइम लगा, बिकॉज सडनली आप अचानक से यू कैन नॉट गेट इन टू दैट जोन. सो थोड़ा तो टाइम लगा टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसा करना है, क्या करना है. इनिशियली 1-2 months में आई वुडंट से कि इट वॉज दैट हार्ड, डिफिकल्ट, और इट वॉज ईजी. नो, I mean, I had to take some time to understand the concept. Okay, this is the diet and I have to follow. This is the exercise I have to do. And वो timeline था, time zone था कि मुझे इतना straight करना है my way. So it was not that easy, but not that difficult also.
And जैसे आपका ऑन डे काउंसलिंग था, तो आफ्टर काउंसलिंग हाउ मच वर यू सेटिस्फाइड बाय योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस एंड द डिस्कशन वी हैड एंड क्लियरिंग आउट योर डाउट्स एंड योर मिथ्स? बेसिकली कैसा, सबको एक मिथ रहता है कि चलो ये खाने से कम होता है, या सिर्फ लिक्विड डाइट रहता है, या सिर्फ फैट या कीटो करना है?
ओके, डाइट एज इन यू, आपने कभी ये नहीं बोला, रिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं डाला कि ये नहीं खाना है, वो नहीं खाना है. योर डाइट वॉज ऑलवेज हेल्दी. इनफैक्ट यू हैड मेंशन मी टू हैव चीज़, जो मैं कभी खाती नहीं चीज़. यू हैड मेंशन कि आई शुड हैव चीज़ एंड ना इवन बटर ऑल्सो, और बटर भी खा सकते हैं उसमें, बट एक हेल्दी मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, राइट? यू नो, यू हैव टू फॉलो दैट. अगर आपको किसी ने दिया, ये नहीं था कि रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं थी, ये नहीं खाना है, वो नहीं खाना है, सब कुछ खाना है, बट एक प्रॉपर प्रोपोर्शन में खाना है उसको. ऐसा नहीं कि खाना है तो बस खाते ही रहना है. नो, आई मीन अगर मैंने एक चीज़ मंडे या संडे को खाया है, देन आई शुड अवॉइड इट फॉर लाइक नेक्स्ट 15 days. आई कैन हैव आफ्टर 15 days, वैसे था. सो द डिस्कशन वॉज ऑफकोर्स वेरी हेल्दी, एंड एज आई सेड कि थोड़ा फॉलो करने के लिए, समझने के लिए वो थोड़ा टाइम लगा. इट वॉज वेरी ईजी दो, बट टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, टू गेट इन टू दैट डाइट, इट वॉज लिटिल लाइक डिफिकल्ट. बट वंस आई वॉज इन टू इट, मुझे समझ में आया कि वॉट माई बॉडी रिक्वायर्स एंड मुझे कैसे करना है, वॉट टू ईट एंड वॉट नॉट टू ईट.
Okay. And then फिर once you started your nutrition plan along with your exercises, because I was certified later as a fitness instructor. So before that, what kind of exercise did you indulge into along with your nutrition plan?
Okay, along with the nutrition plan, I had exercise like normal जो stretching वाला होता है, that I used to do, so that you know my muscles and my body should get the other exercise which I was about to start. So I started with like stretching exercise, and then gradually I started doing squats, और फिर उसके बाद planks मैंने start किया है, jumping jack and bicycle crunches. Like you know, it was initially बहुत difficult होता था मुझे करने के लिए वो बहुत, because it is very hard, you know, वो pressure आपके core पे आता है, and then I used to get pressure on my neck, this part, because of my tummy. It was like I was huge on that part, so वो करना थोड़ा difficult होता था. But after doing like you know crunches and planks करते करते, now I started doing bicycle crunches, तो वो मेरे को बहुत easy होता है, and I just love doing bicycle crunches. So ये थोड़े हैं core exercise which I do regularly without fail. Yeah.
Okay. So coming back to your follow-up session after 15 days, after getting your meal plan and following it for 15 days along with basic workouts which you had mentioned about, how was your journey in those 15 days, and what changes could you see initially in that?
Okay. Initially the 15 days were really very tough, because like I said, you know, to understand the concept, it's like you have to understand कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप क्या खाने वाले हो, कौन सा वर्कआउट करने वाले हो. तो इनिशियली इट वॉज थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था मेरे लिए टू लाइक यू नो, मतलब द डाइट फूड व्हाट यू हैड सजेस्टेड, राइट, एंड इवन द एक्सरसाइज करना, बिकॉज आई हैड पुट ऑन, आई मीन आई वॉज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक व्हाट 78, तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था टू डू द एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो. And but I thought not to give up and to continue this, you know, even after 15 days. But yes, it was tough for me those initial 15 days.
Okay. And then after that, suppose following up after a month or so, आपका जो routine था, what did you learn in those 15 days and after that a month before we had our second consultation? Because I could see there were some minor mistakes, like suppose you had a light dinner, so you were a little bit exceeding your lunch proportion, which you yourself discovered later, and once you corrected, you saw the changes drastically in you. So tell me something about that.
Okay, initially like the 15 days, you know, I did the proper diet, I follow. But after like you know, I thought, okay, this is my routine, I have to have this food, and you know, this is my exercise. So I did that, and after that also, you know, somewhere I found that I started you know, eating a little more than the diet what you had suggested, थोड़ा ज़्यादा, and I realized that later, खुद से मुझे पता चला. And sorry, even the workout, you know, it was like not happening, like you know, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था for the sake of doing मैं कर रही हूँ. Even drinking water, like I used to just gulp it, gulp the water, जबकि आपको वो सिप बाय सिप लेना रहता है, तो आपको ग्रेजुअली सिप इट एंड हैव इट, थोड़ा सिप करना है फिर लेना है, थोड़ा सिप करना है फिर लेना है. So after 15 days, yeah, this mistake I started. I mean, you can say like that next 15 days I did this mistake, and then I realized कि नहीं कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो रहा है मेरे से, कुछ तो somewhere I'm doing wrong or I am not doing it correctly. So after the first consultation and the second counseling, I had told you everything like the SSA I'm doing it, and then I found it myself कि नहीं ये wrong है, ये गलत है, and then you told me no, this is you showed me the correct way कि नहीं ऐसे नहीं, have your milk थोड़ा सा, and again you can have it little bit, you can have something like थोड़ा थोड़ा करके after 2 hours, every 2 hours you can have little bit rather than having एक time में बहुत सारा. Yeah, so this was the difference in before 15 days and after 15 days.
So after 1 month, you dropped down 2 kilos, which was very fantastic. And after dropping down those 2 kilos, initial है बोलते हैं लोग water weight रहता है या क्या है. What difference did that make in you?
After dropping 2 kgs,
Yes.
Okay, I mean I had actually I had got that confidence because initially the 1 month, the 15 days before and after, I thought that after taking so much of efforts and doing this sort of exercise, I thought that I mean I couldn't find any changes. My weight was same, and after that I changed my routine, I changed my workouts, I changed my diet also, the quantity, the proportion of food which I used to have. अब वो भी मैंने थोड़ा चेंज किया. उसके बाद I got that difference and I had lost, yes of course, 2 kgs. So I got that kind of confidence कि yes, if you change, if you get that change in yourself, you can change everything inside, outside, within you. So this is how you.
Okay. And we had one session regarding your exercise pattern, wherein few postures of the exercises were corrected, because while you search out on the net, you may find out various types of exercise and the techniques, but to practically have a supervision in that, it is quite different from actually seeing and doing. So when you were corrected in those exercises, what difference did it make in your workout?
Okay. Yes, you are right. There was like, I mean, you had corrected me on the workout session also, the exercise which I used to do, the plank exercise, even the squats which I used to do. So I could make out the difference, like, the exercise which I used to do were not that proper. I mean, they used to not give me that result. For the sake of करना है इसके लिए मैं करती थी, हाँ. But once when we had that session, counseling session, I showed you the workout कि मैं ये करती हूँ, and then you showed correctly कि इसको कैसे करना है. So yes, there it was like मुझे, I mean I can't tell you verbally, but yes, after doing the correction what you had showed me, I could feel that कि हाँ मतलब this is a difference. तो अपने आप मुझे वो पता चलने लगा. I got the changes in my body after doing this workout. So you can feel it within, I mean I can verbally मैं नहीं बता सकती, but once you start doing those exercises correctly under the guidance, and I got your guidance, so I'm very grateful for that. So yes, वो difference तो पता चला, because थोड़ा बहुत I used to get, while I used to be planned, तो थोड़ा बहुत there was a back pain, but then you showed correctly to me, so it's the back pain is not there, and I started doing plank correctly. Even the bicycle crunches, you told me to hold it here. So even normal crunches also, you have to hold it here. So, and you have to put your pressure here, not on your back or like that. So I started getting the pressure on my core, after doing this exercise. So the pressure यहाँ पे आने लगा, तो पता चलने लगा कि आपको कहाँ पर कम करना है, कौन सा आपका बॉडी पोर्शन आपको कौन सा कम करना है, and that you feel it, when once you start doing it, that pain, तो आपको पता नहीं है, okay, this is like यहाँ पे आपको फैट ज़्यादा है, तो ये आपको कम करना है. So this has really helped me, the exercise under your guidance. So thank you for that.
Yeah. So thank you so much for appreciating me. It really feels great. As far as weight loss is concerned, you have dropped down. Although over a period, it's almost 6 months, and you have dropped down more than 3.5 kgs, which is completely fine. You need to understand the basic fundamentals, and you need to practically understand your body, your food pattern, and your workout pattern. So, which is very well understood by you now, which I can guarantee. And although you have lost okay amounts of weight as far as numbers are concerned, but you have drastically lost out on your fat percentage. So what you could comment on that, and how you were dressing previously? I mean, when the fat percentage was much more, and now it is dropped down drastically. What you would say on that?
Okay, to be like very honest, I mean initially, it's almost a 6 months that I've started this diet and nutrition from you, the guidance from you. So initially 3 months, I mean, like I said, it's really, you have to understand the concept, okay, about the food and the diet, and also the exercise, the workout, आप कौन सा करते हो. So initially 3 months, थोड़ा it went into understanding only, because there were very mistakes and advantage and disadvantage, it was like I used to do, and थोड़ा follow up करने में, थोड़ा समझने में वो थोड़ा time लगा. But after 3 months, yes, and there's a drastic drop into the inches, and which is very important. मैंने आपसे बात की थी तो आपने बोला था, I had asked you once when we met, which is like important, weight loss होना या inches loss होना. Then he said कि inches भी होना. So I could feel that कि मेरा weight भी हो गया drop, but inches ज़्यादा हो गए drop. And पहले ऐसा नहीं था, even you feel it अपने आप से, while walking also you feel like पहले when I used to walk or normal walk भी लेती थी, I used to feel heavy, heavy walking होता था. But अभी जैसे the weight have dropped down, the inches have dropped down, I got that confident कि मेरा post change हो गया चलने का. And even talking to people, it has given me a great confidence and motivation also. एक अलग से you become a new you, and I mean you can wear all the outfits you want to, I always initially when I was in heavy weight, so I used to wear normal kurtas and all, and I always dreamt of wearing dangris and denim skirt. So that was in my mind कि कभी ना कभी तो I'll wear it whenever I lose my weight. So, and I wanted to have that wardrobe, that dress in my wardrobe. So I feel very confident that आप कुछ भी पहन सकते हो. Once you have that confidence, आपका weight कम हो गया है. So you, like I said, you get a new you in you.
Okay, that's good. Fine. That's absolutely great speaking about that, and having you come here from past is really an achievement for me. So thank you so much in believing in me. And right now, as of now, so how easy it was you to give up on your temptations regarding chocolates and the stuffs you liked? Mention them. What all have you given up, and how far you have come across?
Okay, it was not that easy, because giving up something which you are very fond, or कभी-कभी आपको tempt होता है after having your meal, especially थोड़ा sweet कुछ खाने का मन करता है, you have that sweet tooth. So yes, it was not that easy, because I'm not into fond of chocolates, but मेरा favorite एक है, I like that. And I used to get, my mom is very fond of eating chocolates, so मैं उनके कभी-कभी लेके आती हूँ. तो एक रहता है कि you feel like okay you have it और ऐसा, but after getting a diet and following, and एक बार once you come to know that your body needs this and you have to be fit and fine. So once in a blue moon is fine, but you can't have it every day. So एक ऐसा रहता था कि नहीं थोड़ा खा लूँ, but it was like नहीं इतना खाने से अगर कुछ इधर उधर बढ़ गया तो. So it is it's very difficult कि आपको अपने you can have it, ऐसा नहीं कि you cannot have it, you can have it थोड़ा सा just for a sweet, थोड़ा सा अंदर ये करने के लिए you can have it. बट मैं नहीं खाती हूँ. आई हैव टोटली गिवन अप ऑन लाइक यू नो नॉट ओनली ऑन चॉकलेट्स बट अगर मुझे इफ आई वांट टू ईट मैगी भी कभी कभी आई स्पीक लॉट ऑफ मैगी पहले. तो यू नो दैट वन काइंड ऑफ मैदा लाइक यू नो जो आपको जाके यू नो योर स्टमक वंस यू हैव मैगी ना यू फील लाइक यू नो कि आपका बॉडी ऐसा ब्लॉट हो गया. सो आई हैव कम्प्लीटली स्टॉप दैट. माई फेवरेट फूड मैगी बट वो मैंने कम्प्लीटली स्टॉप कर दिया है. आई डोंट इवन आई कुक इट फॉर माई मॉम. उनको पसंद है तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत एक पैकेट उनके लिए बनाती हूँ बट आई डोंट हैव इट. यू नो मैंने कम्प्लीटली ये किया. सो इट्स नॉट दैट ईजी कि अपने फेवरेट फूड को आप यू नो ऐसा मतलब कम्प्लीटली ये करो. बट येस लाइक आई सेड यू कैन हैव इट थोड़ा सा. सो अभी मैं क्या करती हूँ आफ्टर माई मील यू नो अगर मुझे थोड़ा सा लगा स्वीट कुछ खाना है तो आई हैव अ पीस ऑफ जैगरी वो खा लेती हूँ. सो आई थिंक दैट इज ऑल्सो इनफ रादर देन हैविंग शुगर या ऐसे कुछ चॉकलेट या आइसक्रीम या एनी डिजर्ट. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज हैव जैगरी. दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड.
Okay, good, fantastic. So, and after that, were you told by anyone regarding any of the slimming pills or having an intake of artificial supplements or so? What views do you keep now at this point of time where you have educated yourself over the past 6 months? You have practically seen how it affects your body, food basically, the nutrition, how it affects your body, and what plays a vital role in your workout regime as well. So what would you comment on that? We are not brand specific. I don't intend to demean any brand, but it's just a overview for people who are watching us, who are watching you, to have a practical idea about that.
Okay. I mean, I did get you know some suggestions like initially when I was in weight. You can have this protein powder. You know you can reduce. I heard of them. I never saw them like anyone. I mean, 1-2 people I've heard them taking those you know protein bars or protein milkshake kind of. But I don't know like how useful it is because I've never tried. But yes, I was suggested to have so that I can reduce you know very quickly. But I didn't try. I thought why not go a natural way and you know reduce your weight. So I would not recommend on those like you know because वो एक आसान तरीका होता है. You know you have it and then you reduce it. But then what about your muscles? उनको जो एक when you do the workout from within वो एक you know you feel like pain कि हाँ okay this is like ये करना है आपको. बट अगर आप रेडीमेड कुछ लेते हो दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर यू. हमेशा यू नो यू कीप ट्राइंग. आप डाइट करो, आप एक्सरसाइज करो, हेल्दी फूड खा लो, थोड़ा मतलब हर एक 2 hours में खा लो रादर देन हैविंग दोज प्रोटीन मिल्क शेक और यू नो हैविंग दोज स्लिमिंग पिल्स विच आर नॉट. बिकॉज आगे जाके वंस यू ग्रेजुअली हैव दैट कम इन टू दैट सर्टेन एज that is very harmful to you. You know आपको पता है because lifelong you cannot take those pills, slimming pills and those powder, protein powder. But yes, healthy diet, healthy salad, lifelong आप खा सकते हो, which is very useful. So I would recommend कि आप अगर कोई लेता भी है तो वो ना ले because मैंने तो कभी नहीं लिया and मैं बोलूँगी कि आप लोग भी मत लें.
So this the view basically states is not to demotivate people to not consume protein, क्योंकि जिसके खाने में नहीं है ऑब्वियसली तो वो जाहिर सी बात है थोड़ा सा लेंगे. पर what you intend to say is you need to focus more on your food intake as well as exercise.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Right.
Rather
Fine.
than going on shortcut, you know, मुझे भी ऐसे कभी ऐसे लगता था कि अरे नहीं मुझे पतला होना है तो मैं you know when you see the advertisement, when you see pictures of people like before after कि अरे मैंने ये लिया है तो पतला हो गया, ये खाया तो पतला हो गया, तो मुझे you get that you know in your mind, but नहीं, why to do that, you know, why to harm your body, right? When you can go in natural way से आप अगर आप जा सकते हो तो do that ना, give a try at least कि ये try करो. अगर आप वो try कर सकते हो taking protein powder and वो सब तो ये ट्राई करो ना. एंड एक वन पॉइंट इज दैट. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज यू आर वेस्टिंग योर मनी ऑल्सो. आपको पता नहीं, गारंटी नहीं है क्योंकि हर एक का बॉडी अलग अलग डिफरेंट होता है तो आपको पता नहीं आपको सूट करेगा नहीं. अगर एक बंदे को सूट हो गया है तो ज़रूरी नहीं दैट इट्स गोइंग टू सूट यू ऑल्सो. सो नेचुरल वे टू कट ऑफ योर यू नो योर वेट, योर फैट जो भी है, इट इज़ द बेस्ट वे. आप हेल्दी खा लो, सलाड्स खा लो, फ्रूट्स खा लो, आई मीन स्प्राउट्स जो भी सीरियल्स है वो खा लो, आपको जो फेवरेट लगता है वो बना के खा सकते हो, रादर देन यू नो गोइंग फॉर एनी अदर आउटसाइड ऑप्शन.
Fantastic. So she has much more knowledge than me. I'll have to take consultations from her now. And then coming to the last point is what we could say for concluding the interview today is what is your current mindset now for future, as you have brought down, we have checked on and you have lost your inches drastically, you have educated yourself over the past 6 months regarding nutrition. How do you see the transformation in yourself and your goal?
Okay, I would follow this routine itself. Like you know, yes, somewhere थोड़ा बहुत changes, adding new workout, exercise, थोड़ा बहुत changes in the diet. But I'm going to follow this only because अभी ऐसे हो गया, it's become habitual. If I don't do my workout, I feel like I'm missing something. So if I miss my workout, कभी हो जाता है ना, you get tired, you get exhausted, and you feel like okay, आज एक दिन skip करेंगे. But yes, even I do feel that I don't. When I skip my workout in the morning, तो मुझे लगता है कि something I've missed. So I make sure that you know somewhere in the evening, late evening also, at least for half an hour, I do some kind of stretching, so that you know थोड़ा मेरे muscles को भी थोड़ा लगे कि नहीं okay, कुछ तो है. Like you know, my muscles are not sleeping, I'm you know awaking them. तो थोड़ा बहुत stretching exercise कुछ तो करो, but make sure that you do some kind of you know, ये तो यही मेरा अभी goal है कि you know stay healthy, stay fit and stay safe.
ओके, ऑलराइट. एक बार बोल दो, लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो न्यूट्रिशन बाय क्षितिज को प्लीज.
प्लीज न्यूट्रिशन बाय क्षितिज को लाइक करो, फॉलो करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, हिट द बेल आइकन. एंड ही इज रियली गुड. आई बीन नो ईच अदर सिंस वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम एंड ही इज ग्रेट you know a mentor. He is very good. He will help you in everything. So please like, follow and subscribe. Thank you.
Okay, so here we have, thank you so much Trupti for the appreciation, love and trust in me. Yes guys, please do keep watching Nutrition by क्षितिज. Like, subscribe and share. Yes, उन्होंने बोला इसके लिए नहीं, genuinely just those who want to gain muscles और हाई फंडू एडवर्टाइजिंग नहीं करूँगा, सिंपल बात बोलता हूँ. जिसका जो फिटनेस गोल है, yes you think you can and you will achieve. You just need a proper guidance and a good mental and emotional support. So yes, do keep watching Nutrition by क्षितिज. शेयर कीजिए वीडियो को, दूसरों को भी दिखाइए कि how mentally it changes you, it transforms you physically as well, and what nutrition plays an important role in your daily life, how it affects your body. And yes, artificial supplementations can be taken to a certain extent, provided it is taken very appropriately with a qualified guidance only. And I do not mean to मुझे किसी की बदनामी है, ये अच्छा नहीं है, वो अच्छा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना है. सब ब्रांड्स है मार्केट में, सर्टिफाइड है, रेप्यूटेड है, ओके फाइन. बट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन में लेना, उसको किस ढंग से लेना, खाना एकदम कट करके सिर्फ वही लेना, वो गलत हो जाता है. सो अल्टीमेटली गलती लोगों की होती है और नाम जाता है सप्लीमेंट्स पे. सो इट इज़ अप टू यू, यू हैव टू टेक इट प्रॉपरली. और लेना नहीं लेना, लेके धीरे धीरे छोड़ना या धीरे धीरे अडॉप्ट करना, डोजेजेस, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. सो इस बात का आपको बहुत खास ध्यान रखना है, रादर देन ब्लेमिंग द प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट कंपनी, बिकॉज आजकल ये बहुत होता है. सो यू नो, बेसिक हाईलाइट टू द क्लाइंट एज वेल एज टू द व्यूअर्स हु आर वॉचिंग दिस. So yes, we are signing off today. Do take care, be safe, be happy, be healthy. Bye bye.